What is surface area? Surface area is the amount of area on the surface of an object. Having a large amount of surface area allows our cells to diffuse things more quickly, which is very important. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space on the inside of something. Why aren't we made up of one big cell? Well, it would take a really long time to absorb nutrients into our cells, and we would die.
This is an organic material. Each square represents a cell. There are many cells. This is just one of those cells. When the cell is placed in acid, see how quickly its color changes. When the same thing is done to a larger sample of these cells, see how much longer they take to change color.
Do animals take advantage of surface area? Yes. Geckos have tiny hairs on their feet that increase the total surface area exposed to the ground. This extra surface area allows them to climb up walls and stick to smooth surfaces, as they are so famous for doing. Elephants take advantage of surface area too. They have huge ears in order to cool their blood. A complex network of blood vessels runs throughout their huge flat ears. With more surface area, the air can cool down the elephant's hot blood faster and more efficiently. As this new blood that has been cooled by the air moves through the veins and arteries, it slowly reduces the animal's overall body temperature, keeping it functional and comfortable.
Does surface area have anything to do with our metabolisms? Yes, it contributes to the basal metabolic rate, the rate at which the body uses energy while at rest, to keep vital functions going, such as breathing and keeping warm. So how does surface area affect that? If the cells have a high surface area to volume ratio, the materials that have to be transported don't have to go as far, so cells with a high surface area to volume ratio contribute to that being's faster metabolism. Therefore, the efficiency of a person's metabolism is determined by the size of their cells. What are some examples of surface area being beneficial in life and in our bodies? In our small intestines we have villi. What are villi? They coat the lining of our small intestine and are all folded up. They absorb, through diffusion, vital nutrients for the small intestine. Since they're so scrunched up, there can be more, which allows for more surface area. Therefore, the villi can absorb more nutrients and be more beneficial to the small intestine. Think you understand? Time to review. What is surface area? The amount of space on the outside of something, the amount of space on the inside of something, or Led Zeppelin's first hit song. The correct answer is A, the amount of space on the outside of something. A small cube has blank than a large cube, a greater surface area to volume ratio, a smaller surface area to volume ratio, an equal surface area to volume ratio. The correct answer is A, a greater surface area to volume ratio. Question 3. Blanks have large ears, so their blood can be blanked quickly by the air. A. Geckos cooled, B. Elephants heated, or C. Elephants cooled. The correct answer is C. Elephants have large ears, so their blood can be cooled quickly by the air. Question 4. Villi are helpful to the small intestine because A. They provide more surface area, but only take up a small amount of space because they are folded, or B. They provide more volume by being long and stretched out, or C. They make your digestive process more efficient. The correct answer is A. They provide more surface area, but only take up a small amount of space because they are folded. If we were made up of one big cell instead of trillions of little ones, A. Life would go on, B. We would die, or C. We would become immortal. The correct answer is B. We would die.